morning, all my dear students. In today's session, we are going to learn about the capital account of partners. It means method of capital accounts and specimen of capital account. Okay, capital account of partners. A capital account of each partner is prepared in the books of partnership firm to record the individual transactions done by the partner with partnership firm. It means all the transactions related to partners are recorded in partners capital account. Okay? An initial introduction by partners and addition in capital in any means are recorded at the credit side of capital account, and transactions which reduce the capital are recorded at the debit side of capital account. It means if the capital is going to be reduced, it is going to record on the debit side of partners capital account. Okay. Two methods are there to maintain the capital account of partners in the books of partnership firm. First one is fluctuating capital method and the second one is fixed capital method. First we are going to learn about the fluctuating capital method. It means which types of entries are recorded in the fluctuating capital method related to the partners. Okay, now fluctuating capital method. A method in which opening balance of the capital account and closing balance of the capital account of any partner is reported fluctuated, it means flexible, is known as fluctuating or temporary capital account method. Okay, in fluctuating capital method means a method in which opening balance of partner capital account and closing balance of partner capital account is reported fluctuated, it means flexible, is known as fluctuating or temporary capital account method. Under this method, to record all the transactions related to partners, only one capital account is prepared. It means in this method, all the transactions related to partners, for that only one capital account is prepared. Okay. Now we are going to learn about the specimen of partners capital account. In specimen we are going to learn about the transactions or entry which are recorded related to partners. Okay. Specimens of partners capital account. First of all, we have to prepare date, particulars, name of partner. Suppose the name of partner is A and B, debit side, then date, particulars, A and B, credit side. Two sides are there in the account. Debit side, date, particulars, name of partner A and B, then date, particulars, A and B, name of partner and credit side. Okay. Now we are going to learn that which types of entry are recorded on debit side or on credit side of the partner's capital account. First, opening balance of partner's capital account. Opening capital of partner's capital account are always recorded on credit side of partner's capital account, and in column of particulars we are going to write as a by balance PD. Okay, it means opening capital of partners. Balance will be written in the column of partners. A's capital in the column of A and B's capital in the column of B. After that, if any interest is paid by the firm to the partners, then the effect is given as a by interest on capital. Okay, A's capital in the column of A, B's interest in the column of B. Okay, second effect will be if there is an interest on capital paid by the firm to the partner, then it will be recorded credit side of partner capital account as an income, and its second effect will be profit and loss appropriation debit side. We will learn afterwards about the profit and loss appropriation account. But today lecture we are going to learn as a capital account. It means interest on capital, credit side of partner's capital account. A's interest in the column of A and B's interest in the column of B. Okay, after that, if any partner is paid salary by the firm, or both the partner is given salary by the firm, then partner's capital account credit side by salary. If it is paid to A, then in the column of A partner, and if it is paid to B, then in the column of B's partner. Okay, and if the salary is paid to both the partner, then it will be recorded on A as well as in the partner of B. After that, salary bonus. If the bonus is paid by the firm, same as a salary. If the bonus is paid by the firm to the partners, then in the column of A and in the column of B. After bonus, commission. If any commission is paid by the firm to the partners, then credit side of partners capital account, same as salary and bonus. Commission will also recorded on credit side of partners capital account in the column of partner A or B, or A and B both. Remuneration, same salary, bonus, commission. If firm is going to pay remuneration to any partner, then it will be recorded same as salary, bonus or commission in the credit side of partner's capital account in the column of partner A or B, or both A and B. Okay. After that, by profit and loss appropriation account divisible profit. It means whenever you are going to prepare a profit and loss appropriation account, there is a chances of profit or loss in the partnership form. It means on the basis of profit and loss appropriation account, we are able to get divisible profit or divisible loss. If there is a divisible profit in the firm, it will be distributed among the partners as per their profit sharing ratio, and that divisible profit will be shown on the credit side of partners capital account. It will be written as a column of particulars by profit and loss appropriation account in the bracket divisible profit, and the amount will shown in the column of partners. A's profit will be written in the column of A partner. B's profit will be written in the column of partner B. Okay. Now debit side of partners capital account. Okay, debit balance of partners capital account, drawings. If partner has withdrawn any amount from the firm as a drawings, that amount will be recorded on debit side of partner's capital account in the column of partner. Amount of partner A will be written in the column of partner A, and amount of partner B will be written in the partner B's column. Okay, related to amount of drawings. Then interest on drawings. If firm has charged any interest on drawings on partners, that amount will be written on the debit side of partner's capital account. Interest of partner A in the column of A, and interest of partner B in the column of B. Okay, related to interest on drawing, expense for the partner and income for the firm. Okay, and if there is a divisible loss according to profit and loss appropriation account, that amount will be recorded on a debit side of partner's capital account. Okay, after writing this all entries, we are going to close the partner's capital account. partner's capital account, there will be difference in the account, and that difference will known as a closing balance of partner's capital account. Okay, we can also write down in the column as a closing capital, closing balance of partner's capital account. Okay, now we are going to learn about the fixed capital account method. A method of partner's capital under which no changes is reported in opening balance and closing balance in the partner's capital account is known as fixed capital account method. Okay, once again I repeating the point of fixed capital method. A method of partner's capital account under which no changes is reported in opening balance and closing balance in the partner's capital account is known as fixed capital account method. It means opening balance and closing balance of the partner will remain same. That is known as fixed capital account method. Okay, two accounts are maintained in the books related to this account, related to fixed capital account method. Under this method, to record all transactions of partners with the partnership, two accounts are maintained in the books: partners capital account and partners current account. Specimen of partners capital account is already discussed by us. Okay, now we are going to learn about the partners current account. Specimen of partners current account and some explanation related to partners current account. Okay, now partners current account. Under fixed capital method, the account prepared to record the transactions of partners with partnership firm other than permanent capital is known as current account. Okay, partners current account. Okay, let's repeat one more time. Under fixed capital account method, the account prepared to record the transaction of the partners with the partnership firm other than permanent capital is known as current account. If there is a permanent capital, then it will be recorded in the fixed capital account. Okay, capital account. Other than that, if there is a balance, then will be transferred to partners capital account. Okay, it is given that other than permanent capital balances is known as current account. Okay, now we are going to learn about the specimen of the partner's current account. Okay, now specimen of partner's current account. First, debit side, date, column of particulars, then column of partners A and B, then column of date, then column of particulars, and then column of A and B partners credit side. Two sides are prepared, debit side and credit side. Okay, first credit side, we have to write down by balance, BD, opening credit balance of partner's current account. Both sides the balance it may be. It may be debit side also, or it may be credit side of the partner. If the partner's balance, opening balance is credit side, then we have to write down on the credit side, and if the balance is of debit side, then we have to write down the debit side of partner's current account as a to balance BD in the bracket opening debit balance of current account. Okay, after the balance of partner's current account, we have to write down that interest on capital. It means if you are going to prepare capital and current account both, in the capital account only balance of partner's capital account is written, except that interest on capital, salary, bonus, commission, remuneration, this all transactions or entry will be recorded instead of partner's capital account, they will be recorded on partner's current account credit side. Okay. Second, next one is interest on capital. Same as we have learned in the specimen partner's capital account. That if any interest is paid by the firm to the partners, then it will be recorded on credit side of partner's current account in the column of partner A and B. After that, interest on balance of credit balance of current account. Okay, interest on credit balance of partner's current account. A interest is in the column of A and B's interest in the column of B. Okay. After that, salary. Salary, bonus, commission and remuneration. If it is paid by the firm to any partner, then that amount will be recorded in column of partners. Salary paid to partner A or B or both A and B, then it will be recorded in column of A and B or A and B. After that, bonus. A bonus is paid by the firm to the partners, then it will be recorded in column of partner A or in column of partner B or both partners A and B. Commission. If any commission is paid by the firm to the partner, then it will be recorded on credit side of partner's current account in the column of partner. Okay. Then remuneration. If remuneration is paid by the firm to the partners, then it will be recorded on credit side of partners current account A and B. After remuneration, it is given that by profit and loss appropriation account, in the bracket you have to write down divisible profit. Okay, this will be recorded on the basis of profit and loss appropriation account. If there is a profit in the business, okay, it will be divided among the partners as per their profit sharing ratio, and it will be recorded on credit side of partners capital account. We have to write down as by profit and loss appropriation account. In the bracket we have to write down a divisible profit of partners or divisible profit. Okay, and the amount is to be written in the column of partner A and B. Now debit side of partner's current account. In that first to balance BD. If there is a debit balance of any partner, then that debit balance of partner will be written on the debit side of partner's current account to balance BD in the column opening debit balance of current account. Okay. After that, drawings. If any drawings is by the partners, then the amount of drawing is to be written in the column of particulars to drawings, and the amount is to be written in the column A and B. After that, interest on drawings. Okay, interest on drawings. If firm charges any interest on drawings from the partners, then that amount of interest is to be written on debit side of partner's current account. Then after that, interest on debit balance of current account. If any interest is given by the firm to the partner on current balance, okay, then debit side, interest on debit balance of partner's current account in the partners A or B or A and B. If there is a loss on the basis of P&L appropriation, it means profit and loss appropriation, then that divisible loss will be distributed among the partners as per their profit sharing ratio, and it will be recorded on a debit side of partners current account. We have to write down 2 P&L, profit and loss appropriation account and in column of particulars divisible loss, and the amount is written in the column of partner A and B or both A and B. Okay, in the column of date, which date is to be written we will discuss in the sum. Okay, mainly what happens when the opening balance are given, at that time opening dates are written and remaining entry are being given by the closing date, and end of the year. At the end of the year, that date is to be written in the column of a date. Okay, or the date which is to be mentioned in the sum, that date is written in the column of date. Okay, and after that, now we are going to profit loss appropriation account. To distribute profit and loss amongst the partners, profit and loss appropriation account is prepared. After the preparation of profit and loss account in final account of the partnership firm. Profit and loss appropriation account is a part of profit and loss account. A separate preparation of this account is not mandatory. Okay, it means the main aim of preparing profit and loss appropriation account is to know the divisible profit or divisible loss of the business. Okay, it is given also that to distribute the profit and loss amongst the partners, profit and loss appropriation account is prepared after the preparation of the profit and loss account in final account of the partnership firm. Okay, now we are going to learn about the specimen of profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, debit side, particulars amount, credit side. Same two sides are there, debit side and credit side. Okay, and debit side means all the expenses related to the firm, which the firm is going to pay the partners, and credit side incomes, which the firm is going to charge on the partners. It may be interest on drawings or interest on drawings. Okay, now first entry is given as a to profit and loss account. Debit side of profit and loss appropriation account, it is given that to profit and loss account, in the bracket it is given as a net loss. It means if there is a net loss in the business, that amount of net loss will be recorded on the debit side of profit and loss appropriation account, on the basis of profit and loss account, if you are going to get a net loss in the business. Okay, after that, if interest is paid by the firm to the partners, okay, a debt entry will be recorded at debit side of profit and loss appropriation account. It will be written as a to interest on partners capital account. Inner column, name of partner, amount of interest, and the total amount will be shown on the outer column in the column of amount. After that, to interest on credit balance of partners capital account. If any interest is given to partners on credit balance of partners capital account, that amount will be recorded in the column of amount, and name of partner and amount is to be written. Okay, after that, salary to partner salary account. If any salary is given to any partner, that amount will be recorded in debit side of profit and loss appropriation account. To partners, bonus, commission, and remuneration account. If any amount if any amount is paid as a bonus, salary, or commission, that amount will be recorded on debit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, a general reserve account. If there is amount of general reserve, then that amount is to be written on the debit side of P&L appropriation account to general reserve bracket we have to write down the divisible profit. But before that, we are going to learn about the credit side of P&L appropriation account. After that, we will discuss about the divisible profit and divisible loss. Now, credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. If there is a net profit in the business, then that amount will be written as in the credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. By profit and loss account, in the bracket we have to write down net profit. After that, by interest on partners drawings account. Okay, name of partners, then interest, and the total amount will be written on the column of amount in the outer column. After that, by interest on debit balance of current account of partner, if any interest related to debit balance of partner's capital account, and that amount will be recorded on credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. And after that, if credit balance is more than the debit balance, it means credit side is total is more than the debit side, the difference will be on the debit side. And that difference is known as a divisible profit. That difference is known as a divisible profit. That divisible profit will be distributed amongst the partners as per their profit sharing ratio. If debit side total is more than the credit side total, then the difference will be known as a divisible loss. And that divisible loss will be distributed amongst the partners as per their profit sharing. In today's session, you learn about the capital account method and specimen of partners, capital account, partners current account, and profit and loss appropriation. From the next session,